Hi everyone, welcome back to Chandra Edu. My name is Chandra and in this video I'll show you how to use replace command in Excel. This feature is very useful when you want to change text quickly and save a lot of time. The replace command in Excel allows you to replace words, number or characters automatically. Instead of editing cell one by one, Excel can do it for you in just seconds. Now let's open the Excel file used in this video. You can see several sentences that contain the word Excel. Our goal is to replace the word Excel with Microsoft Excel. First, press Ctrl H. And then here, we'll open Find and Replace dialog box. In the Find Word field, type Excel here, Excel, and then in the Replace with field, type Microsoft Excel. Now click Replace All. Excel will instantly replace all matching text. As you see, every cell now show Microsoft Excel instead of Excel. This is how powerful the replace command in Excel is. If we want to compare the original text with after replace, here original text Excel is powerful, after replace Microsoft Excel is powerful. And also learning Excel is fun, after replace learning Microsoft Excel is fun. That's how you use replace command in Excel. You can also use replace only one result using replace, or use match case, or replace number or symbol. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Chandra Edu. See you in the next Excel tutorial and thank you.